Hi, this video is going to teach you how to look for claims and reasons in advertising. So the big question is, what does the ad want me to think or do, and why? Just like in arguments and everything we've looked at, advertisements have at least one claim and at least one reason usually. So let's look. So the claim, just a reminder, it's the exact same thing that we've learned so far. A claim is what you should or shouldn't do, what they want you to do. That's behavior. So they could be claiming that you should engage in some behavior, usually buying something, or what you should or shouldn't think. Those are the claims in ads, and reasons are why you should believe them. So let's practice. So here are 3 ads for Heinz ketchup. So we can see in the all 3 ads it says pass the Heinz, and the first one has fries, the second one has a burger, and the third one has a piece of steak. So sometimes in ads the claim is implied. That means that they haven't written it down or don't say it exactly. So you have to think. Claims are what they want you to do. So want you to do or want you to believe. So what do you think they want us to do or want us to believe? Well, it's obvious that they want us to buy Heinz, right? And they want us to use Heinz on our food. So I would say the claims are that we should buy Heinz ketchup and that we should use Heinz ketchup on our food, right? They don't say that anywhere. But what are the reasons they want us to use Heinz? Just like those claims where they didn't write, you should use Heinz ketchup on your meat and fries, the reasons why might be implied too. If we look at these pictures, it looks like this is super good food, and it looks like they are implying that, especially if we want someone to pass us the Heinz, they are implying that Heinz makes these foods taste better. So what are the reasons we should get Heinz? Because it makes our food taste better, especially these 3 foods. So those are the reasons. And notice that they didn't put those reasons out there in words, right? We had to figure those out. So here's another advertisement. As you can see, it's the side of a building. So let's look really quick here to try to figure out who it's for. I see this symbol, and it looks like it says Delta. Okay, so let's read what it says here. World travelers are more likely to be swiped right. That must be talking about like dating apps and Tinder and stuff. So, and then people can take their pictures here with the different world traveling places, and fake it on Instagram. So what do you think they're claiming? What do they want us to either behave, like do or not do, or what opinion do they want us to have? Well, it looks to me like I think they want us to buy flights on Delta and go to these and be a world traveler. They want us to buy airline flights on Delta. And nowhere does it say buy airline flights on Delta. That's just what they want us to do. So reasons, why would they want us to buy flights on Delta? Well, I think that they say that straight out in this ad. What do you think? Look at this ad here. What words are there reasons? If you said the big bold words, world travelers are more likely to be swiped right, you are correct. Why should we fly on Delta? Why should we go to different places in the world? Because it will help our love lives. So here's another example. This is for a type of peanuts, I believe, emerald peanuts. So let's try to figure out what they are claiming. What are they claiming about these peanuts here? They're claiming that we should what? What should we go do? We should buy the peanuts, right? I'm pretty sure. Okay, and why should we buy those peanuts? Well, I think the reason is written on here. What do you think? Look here again. What do you think the reason is? Well, the reason is that they are good. So this ad is a pretty complicated ad, and I want us to think pretty hard about this. So first, let's look at what it is selling. It looks like it is selling Old Spice body wash and deodorant here. And it looks like it is selling men's body wash and deodorant for Old Spice. So let's look for the claim. What do they want us to do? looks like they are claiming that we should go buy their Old Spice deodorant and body wash and use it. Now, there's also another part to the claim. What are they claiming that this can do for you? Look at what he's dressed up like. Lumberjack, apparently, and all the bubbles. And on the bathtub it says, smell like a man. Okay, and then there's a woman in his bathroom in a towel. So I think they're claiming that Old Spice makes you smell like a man, right? So why should we get Old Spice and smell like a man? Well, what kind of life is this guy leading? He looks like he's super attractive. He looks like he has an attractive woman with him. So I think they're saying that if we go and buy Old Spice and use Old Spice, number one, we're going to smell like a man. And if we smell like a man, then number two, we're probably going to be attractive. And if we're attractive, then number three, it must mean that we are going to attract other women. So the thing is with ads is you can't always believe them, right? Just because you go and you use Old Spice body wash does not mean that you are going to be more attractive, and it does not mean that you are going to get a girlfriend right away or an attractive girlfriend right away, right? Just ads claim things and give reasons that don't have to be true, right? These nuts could be good. Who knows, right? I guess you could maybe get a girlfriend or a boyfriend because you posted a picture of yourself like in Holland or Paris or Machu Picchu or somewhere like that, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen. Heinz might make your steak taste better, but that's kind of a personal opinion, right? So with all of these ads, they all have a reason, they all have claims. That's what they want you to do or what they want you to think, and then they all have reasons why you should think that. But just because they have them doesn't mean that that is what is actually true and what would actually happen in your life if you got that product.